In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export time entries to CSV for Excel. If you're managing time in Toggle Track and need to analyze or share that data in a spreadsheet, exporting to a CSV file is the cleanest, most flexible way to do it. A CSV is a simple, universal table format that opens perfectly in Excel or Google Sheets, so you can sort, filter, and build summaries without any hassle. Start by opening Toggle Track on the web or in the desktop app and make sure you're signed in. From the left sidebar, click on Reports. This is where you choose the view that best matches what you want to export. You'll see three main report types. Summary gives you total hours grouped by project or client, which is great for high-level overviews. Detailed shows every single time entry, including descriptions, projects, tags, and durations, and is usually the best choice for Excel because you get all the raw data. Weekly provides totals by user or project for each week, which is handy for quick staffing snapshots. After choosing your report, take a moment to preview it. Scroll through and confirm that the time entries you want are included, the correct projects and tags are visible, and the durations look accurate. Also make sure the visible time period is the one you intend to export. If anything seems off, adjust your selections in the report view first so your export matches exactly what you need. It's much easier to fix it here than to clean it up later in a spreadsheet. Once everything looks right, you're ready to export. Head to the top right corner of the report and click the Export button. From the options, select CSV. Your browser will download the file to your default Downloads folder. That file contains the same data you just previewed in a tidy, column-based format. Open the CSV